Hi guys, okay, so today I'm gonna share with you guys something, welcome to my room, that I just want to share with you guys. I'm gonna change that door to another design which I find more interesting. Let me show you. Ta-da! You can see me there. Alright, so I was going through the internet and I found this amazing designs, but this one I really liked it. And thankfully it comes in a high resolution kind of, so I put this on the Photoshop so it looks like this. So imagine this, that door is going to look like this. So here are the stuff that you need. First is a knife cutter, a knife cutting board. I don't know what this thing is called, but it's like a rubber board, scissor, measuring tape, and this multi-purpose adhesive. So basically it's a spray. It's like a mounting spray, so it can also be used for tarpaulin. Oh, and not to forget, you need money to print out the stuff.
Hi guys, so I have printed this out. I will be seeing you in time lapse. 3, 2, 1.
So I have printed it out on a tarpaulin that cost me super cheap, only 1 ringgit per square foot. And now I'm just cutting it accordingly. You can see me now cutting into details, just trimming all the edge off to make sure it's perfect. I only did one in this video because I got hungry after that and went to McDonald's. Hehe.
So this is done. So I'm gonna put this there just to see if it needs any more alteration. Now would you look at that? Yes. Okay.
And what you need to do next is take the adhesive spray, just spray it behind the tarpaulin and paste it accordingly. And all you need to do is repeat. Pop. Okay, another one. Pop. Okay. And voila, look at that. Sexy.
So let's take a look at the before and after.
So that was it. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and let me know what type of video do you want to see next, and maybe I will do it and share it with you guys. Okay, bye bye.